Ava is sleeping, so I can finally talk to you guys. I don't have to do a voiceover this time. So what I'm gonna be doing is showing you guys how to do these big old jumbo twists in my hair. These are really not meant to last. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I need to do something to my hair today. I'm gonna be using this cute shake and go braiding hair called cute Pre Stretched Braids, and it's 28 inches. I'm gonna be doing random parts. I need is a brush and a comb. To sweep your baby hair, you need a toothbrush, red palm oil and cocoa butter, styling gel with flaxseed. This is what it looks like. Consistency. We're gonna be using my New York 24-hour edge tamer, so that as well. And let's get started. So I'm just doing random sections. And I'm really trying not to do more than like 20. And this piece up. And I do need some oil, you guys. I thought I had, yes I do. I have some oil moisturizer. We can make this 2, but yeah, let's make it 2 just for the bag. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna section off a big piece like this. I just like the style of a twist more, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and braid it. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and braid it. Because after this, most likely I'm gonna end up doing a sew-in with the same hair I just showed you guys in that last video. Alright, so this is going to be the gist of what I do. I'm going to play my YouTube while y'all watch.